How to enable or disable group chat notification on the Telegram app. To be continued after break, please keep watching. Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to enable or disable group chat notification on the Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on the Telegram app icon. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down till we get Notifications and Sounds. Click on Icon Group to enable group chat notifications. Now it's already active. If you want to disable it, just press again on the same icon. Now it's disabled. That's all. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment on our video. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.